Welcome back to Southwestern Cannabis, helping you grow your own.
Perfect.
I have only 8 days to get this cannabis plant ready for flower. It happened because one of my plants turned male. So to challenge myself, grow out a small, still developing veg plant in 8 days. Growing cannabis fast by hitting it with lots of light and heavy dose of microbes can damage the plant too. Just to make it a harder challenge, the plant has not been topped or filmed. Do not have time to wait for the plant to recover for that. But I am very good at bending and manipulating LST with little plant stress. Now the canopy is full and ready for flower. If you enjoyed this video, click on the box in the corner and don't forget to subscribe and grow something awesome.